Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novila Andini with NPM 224120117 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will explain about development of accounting theory. So, development of accounting theory is defined as a mere belief, but in a more useful sense, theory must have broader acceptance. Webster defines theory as knowledge that is systematically organized, can be used in various situations, a system of assumptions, principles, and procedural rules to analyze, predict, or explain the characteristics of events in a certain series of phenomena. The purpose of accounting theory is to provide a set of principles and relationships that define observed practice and predict unobserved practice. So, accounting theory must be able to define why a company choose one accounting method of another and enable users to predict the company's attributes from various accounting methods. And in other matter, accounting theory must be verified through accounting research. Various accounting theories, among others, fundamental analysis model, efficient market hypothesis, capital asset pricing model, human information processing model, positive accounting theory, critical perspective model. Accounting research is necessary to achieve a more widely accepted accounting theory and to recognize various accounting theories which must go through verification. The next is about history of accounting. According to Hayne, the discovery of the Zenon papers provides starting evidence of the existence of a complex accounting system used in Greece since the 5th century BC and marks the emergence of the trade era in Greece, which gradually spread through the Eastern Mediterranean and the Middle East. The Zenon accounting system contains provisions for accounting responsibilities, recording all transactions, personal accounts for employee salary payments, and records of assets acquisitions and disposal. Additionally, the accounting system also includes evidence that these accounts have been audited. In 1949, an Italian monk Fra Luca Pacioli wrote an arithmetic book that includes a description of the double entry system. Pacioli work Summa de Arithmetica Geometrica Proportioni et Proportionalita was not just a description of the double entry system, but rather a formulation of practice and ideas that had developed over time. Double entry bookkeeping allows business organization to maintain complete transaction records and ultimately enable them to prepare financial statements. The United States produced the formation of the progressive movement. In 1998, the Industrial Commission was formed to investigate issues related to immigration, labor, agriculture, manufacturing, and business. Although there were no accountants on the commission or used in the commission, the initial report published in 1900 suggests that an independent public accounting professional should be established to limit through corporate practice. The progressive movement imposes certain social obligations on accountants. As a result, accountants usually achieve 3 levels of general progress. Namely, the first is a fundamental belief in democracy, a focus on morality and justice, and a general acceptance of educational efficiency as the dominant tool in social improvement. 2 is an increasing awareness of social obligation in all segments of the environment and the introductions of the idea of public accountability in the business and physical segments. The third is the acceptance of pragmatism as the most relevant operational philosophy at the time. In 1904, the International Congress of Accountants decided on the initial development to regulate the accounting profession in the United States, although there had been previous efforts to regulate it, and some states had their own associations. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants was formed as a professional accounting organization in the United States. In 1915, a decade after intense intergroup disputes, the organization was recognized into the American Institute of Accountants. In the early 1900s, several universities began offering accounting courses. At that time, there was no curriculum on accounting standards. In an effort to address this issue, in 1916, the American Association of University Instruction in Accounting was also established. Next, the history of accounting in Indonesia. During the Dutch colonial period, companies in Indonesia used the continental system or the bookkeeping system proposed by Luca Pacioli. Accounting is different from bookkeeping, even though both originate from double entry bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an accounting process activity that consists of recording, classifying, and other activities aimed at producing the function of accounting information system based on financial transaction data or evidence. Meanwhile, accounting is an analysis and interpretation activity based on accounting information data. The history of accounting in the United States since 1930. In 1935, AUIA changed its name to the American Accounting Association to AAA and announced its goal to expand its activities in terms of research and the development of accounting principles and standards. The first result of their ongoing activities was the publication of a brief report titled Tentative Statement of Accounting Principles Underlying Corporate Finance Statements in 1936. The document, which is 4.5 pages long, summarized the key concepts underlying the current financial statements. Evidence related to accounting practice in Indonesia found in 1747, specifically the bookkeeping practices conducted by Ampion Associates based in Jakarta. In this area, the Dutch introduced the double entry bookkeeping system as development by Luca Pacioli. The Dutch VOC was the main commercial organization during the colonial period that played an important role in business practice in Indonesia during this era. In 1947, there was only one Indonesian accountant, namely Prof. Dr. Abu Tani. Dutch-style accounting practice are still used after independence. Education and training in accounting are still dominated by the Dutch model of accounting system and principle. Nationalization of Dutch-owned companies and the departure of the Dutch from Indonesia in 1958 caused a shortage of accountants and skilled workers. That's the explanation about development of accounting theory. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.